Cylab, that is the static ain't always noise. So let's first check it out. Remember to read the description. Static, okay. So static ain't always noise. So it tells us, can you look the data in this binary? The bash script might help. Okay, so let's copy the link address. Okay, yeah, we still need this, so let's first move into a terminal. Let's clear our screen. Let's do the widget. Let's just start it over there. Yeah, we have it here, so let's cut it. Let's see what's in it. Static. Gibberish as well. So yeah, remember it told us that the SH can help us understand this. So can you look at the binary? So the bash script might help. So this is the bash script that we need. So still copy the link address, move into a terminal, and we get again. Paste the link address, enter, and ls. So here's the bash script. So in bash we use BAS and then LT. Let's see. Attempting disassembly of, okay, text mentioned, AJ option, but not found in the input file. Usage. Oh, so here we have how to use this bash file. So we have usage ltdis.sh, then the program file follows up next. So let's do it, then static, hit enter on it. Attempting disassembly. Any strings found in static have been written to static ltdis with file offset. So let's see. So here's the new file that has been written with strings. Let's copy it, Ctrl Shift C. Yeah, let's cut. Let's see what's in it first. So we have a lot of strings actually. So, and we found the flag right here. You see? So, but take it as you have a long list of values like this, and you don't know where to start from. What do? You do the strings, and then our file name, so we paste it already, then pipe it into grep double quotation, and then picoctf, hit enter, and gives us the flag immediately without having to go through the entire file. So copy it, then move into the Cylab Security Academy and paste it there and submit it. Yeah, and we have correct flag submitted. So if you take a close look at this, we see that every command that we've learned how to use from the beginning, we keep on using them as we keep on moving. So this tells you that every command is important in Linux, meaning without certain commands, it will be hard for you to navigate inside your Linux terminal. So it's quite recommended you learn the basics first, and how to create directories, move across directories, move back to your previous directory in Linux, so that it becomes easy to use when doing some of these labs.